we want to heighten the awareness of the issue of child abuse and neglect. Unfortunately, in the state of Michigan last year, we had over 32,000 kids who were victims of child abuse and neglect. And so the first thing that we do is that we acknowledge that, and we acknowledge the fact that that's just not acceptable in this great state of ours. And then the second piece that we do with the Prevention Awareness Day is that we celebrate all the great work that's being done throughout the state of Michigan.
On behalf of the Michigan Child Abuse and Neglect Prevention Board, I wanted to thank you for coming here today to celebrate the power of one. A great example in our world and in our history of the power of one was Mother Teresa, and she said, "I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples." So I want to thank all of you for what you do every day, not just for coming here today, but what you do in your community to be that one who is creating ripples in your neighborhood, in your town, in your community, across our state, to make Michigan a safer place for our most precious resource, and that is our children. So thank you very much for all you're doing, and we just honor you today.
The primary purpose of the Children's Trust Fund is to fund community-based programs and to help fund coalitions and communities that can help focus attention to the whole area of child abuse and to make the public more aware of how much of it actually goes on.